Hey, you got the goods?
Got the goods.
You got the goods.
You got the goods?
I do. I got the goods.
How do we do this?
We both got the, well, first of all, we're both in G-Wagons at a dead-end road, which looks very suspicious. Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics, you guys. Today's gonna be a blast. We're surprising Chris with the Barnyard Ferrari yet again with some first mods. We're going wheels, we're going exhaust. Dave picked out the wheels, so we're gonna see what that's all about. There's a reason why I built the cars on this channel. What did you get him?
13-inch wire wheels, like Dayton. Is that bad?
Hydros? Did you oh, love the sound of that, by the way. Here, it's so satisfying with these doors. Yeah. If wifey saw me do that, she'd kill me. Stop slapping my doors. Behind door number 1, we have an FI exhaust. Now, just as satisfying, we got a new door to go behind. What's this? Yep.
Ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready. These are actually sick, bro.
Fur Parts hooked it up. Thanks, Fur Parts.
So does Chris know anything about these yet?
He thinks he's getting center caps.
Center caps.
For the factory wheel.
Tires? Or the tires?
Golden tires.
Holy, dude, those are like hockey pucks. He's gonna need some new tires. This doesn't look suspicious at all. Right? 2 G-Wagons in a dead end.
What was that?
We got mano y mano. G-Wagon versus G-Wagon. Who do you think's faster?
Well, this has more horsepower than yours.
How do you know?
The 16, they had 16 horsepower.
For real?
Yep.
Do the horn.
Okay, on 3?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second.
You're not in reverse, first of all, right? That would suck right into the barrier. Oh my gosh. We barely even hit the speed limit. We barely hit the speed limit. These things are so slow. Chris is really cool in the sense that he has a full garage at his house. So we're gonna go and install these at his place and have a look at what is involved with putting on the exhaust.
What's that?
FI, full exhaust, headers, the whole 9 yards. We gotta unpackage this. You ready to install it?
Oh, definitely.
I'm gonna install it. I'm personally gonna install it myself. Yeah, pick it up. It's really light. It's actually not that heavy at all, to be honest.
Actually, that's not bad at all.
Right? Considering it's a full exhaust system.
Center caps coming from Fur Parts, they're all out, unfortunately.
All out.
Oh, really?
You're not getting center caps.
They say something that might work instead. Some,
Look at those.
yeah.
Not bad, hey?
These are really nice.
They're actually really sick, and I think they're gonna look
Chris.
really good with black. They're a forged wheel. That's all you need to know.
You, Chris, instead of center caps?
Those will look great on there.
Okay, now pull the rest of these out and let's get to work.
Yeah, we don't have time to install the wheels. We do the exhaust instead because it's faster.
It's
faster.
not faster.
When's this gonna stop? This is like above and beyond. Look at these little things.
What?
What?
Look how big my friends are. This is how I survived high school. Hey, this is gonna slow this car down though, legitimately.
Very much so.
Why?
Well, because it's not the factory size and they're a lot heavier
You're
than
not the factory size, Mr. Fryer. I knew you when you were 19 years old.
All right, come on. Let's move along, boys. I don't got all day.
Yeah, you do.
The wife wants me back at some point.
No, she doesn't. I can taste colors right now. I have all the weight on this side. This is the header side. Your side is like the packaging. You have the styrofoam peanuts on your side. Where do you want this thing?
Right here, Steve.
On the hood of the Ferrari? Yeah. One more present for Chris.
Shut up.
I have to thank today's sponsor, Vincero. This is a new race watch, the Apex. The car community has given Vincero a ton of love. Something to watch just for you guys. And today, it's for this guy, Chris.
That
Give
thing
me
is
your
sick.
wrist. This is not a proposal.
Oh, sorry.
I'm giving you a watch. Well, Vincero's giving you a watch today.
Let's see that.
Look at this thing, dude. It's super sick.
Dude, that
It's yellow.
face is amazing.
It actually matches the calipers on your Ferrari. That's why I picked this one up for you.
It actually does.
Now, can you tell time?
This is digital. Where's the 12? 16.
Count the 1, count the 2.
Yeah, 1, 2.
Vincero's a really cool watch brand. They make watches under $200. Get the look and feel of a very expensive watch for much less. And right now, every watch is 20% off, you guys. Links are in description.
Huge shout out to Vincero because right now during these tough times, ad revenue, if you know or don't know, is in the gutter. So it's our sponsors that are keeping essentially the lights on here at DDE and allowing us to make videos for you guys. So do us a favor, support our sponsors, go to the link in description and pick yourself up a Vincero watch.
With bold colors, sleek curves, aggressive design, and premium materials, everything about this watch is an ode to the lifestyle that comes with racing and pays homage to the car community. The design speaks for itself. It's distinguished, just like the sports car. You know when you see it, it's very flashy. A definite head turner. The watch strap is a first of its kind for Vincero. From the material to the color, this metal shop embodies the aggressive look of a sports car. This wash was designed for those who love the art of racing and like to live life in the fast lane. Hey guys, thanks again to Vincero for sponsoring this video. Chris, I need you to do me a favor to work for this. Say links are in description.
Link in description.
The links.
Links? How many links is there?
You guys, grab a watch right now. All watches on the website, site-wide, 20% off right now.
That was good. How many links there is? All right, I'm ready to do this. I'm doing the full exhaust. Chris, you got a razor blade or something?
Yep.
Hold on. I'm getting a razor. What is that?
It's a Fat Max.
Dude.
Look, Fat Max.
Oh, whoa. Dave, you should be jealous of this. I want to see this gorgeous FI exhaust now. So let's get this show on the road. Okay, Chris.
Chris, you ready for this?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Styrofoam!
Styrofoam.
Oh! Oh, look at that, dude.
Oh, there's a lot.
Oh,
There's a lot.
Hold on. Shh. Does Damon know what that is?
It's the brakes.
It's the brakes.
And good luck with
That's
that.
the manifold.
This is the exhaust manifold, aka header.
Cut it open.
Chris,
I want
cut
to
it
see
open.
this, please.
Turbo header?
Okay, so right here is the FI exhaust header for the F430 Ferrari. Ferrari! Look how beautiful this is though, Chris.
It's called new.
All right, Chris, go slap them in real quick. Can't be that hard.
Oh, that's sexy. Badge of honor. Stop moving.
I was excited. Don't pan down.
Oh. All right.
We have
quite the
a
mess.
FI exhaust, half of it unpacked. We saved the other half because, you know, we have to transport this still at some point, which I'll get to in a minute. We have an exhaust manifold, aka a header.
What's the benefit of putting a different header on a car?
Flow.
Flow. Flow.
Speaking of flow, this
Yes.
is a test pipe. What is a test pipe, Chris? Can you tell the audience?
Basically, it'll be a downpipe from the headers.
What does it eliminate?
It eliminates Cadillac converters.
Where we live, we can do that.
Oh, that's true.
We're going catless. Meow, meow. So from there, it goes on to the muffler.
Yep.
This is the heart of the beast. Look at all those welds, Damien. Could you imagine?
You call me Damien? I will punch you in the mouth on the internet.
But Damon, come close for a second. Damon, come close. Don't be
Okay.
shy.
All right.
You see this little actuator here?
Yes.
It's a solenoid. And to operate that, we have a vacuum system right off the car's vacuum, ironically enough. This is an accumulator, builds pressure. And this remote right here will open or close the valves. Now, when the valves are closed, it has a muffler. It's a lot more quiet. Just like the exhaust we have on the F12, on the G-Wagon.
Or when I have food in my mouth.
In your mouth. And then when it's open, it's basically completely straight pipe. So there's no Cadillac converters, completely straight pipes with the valves open. This car is gonna scream. I've seen clips from their website.
Okay,
It's gonna
look.
scream.
But
here's the thing.
We keep teasing the audience that we're going to install this. Are we going to install this, Dave?
So here's the thing, Damon.
Yes.
You're good at a few things.
I'm getting a lot of things.
can't think
Ask
of
my
them.
wife. So, we're not installing this. What are we doing?
You're gonna need this to start the project.
So here's the thing. We're not
There's
going
an
to install it.
improvement. Okay, what?
We don't want to, because this car's also 15 years old. There could be seized bolts and things like that. It could be an absolute nightmare.
Fact.
So our friends at August Motor Cars have the August Garage. They service exotic cars. They're going to install this exhaust for us properly, and they'll warranty it, I'm pretty sure. They'll warranty it?
I don't think they'll warranty it. And we have a brand new car reveal for you guys. That's right. It has landed, the 2020 Corvette. 3 weeks late, thanks to the Rona. Slowed down the shipping process
It
a
was
little
stuck
bit.
in a train car at customs for 3 weeks.
Yeah, that
That's
was
the thing,
fun.
apparently.
Welcome to Canada.
We're going to install the wheels though, because we can handle that. But I want Damon to do it.
No, I don't want to do that.
Remember that video with Damon in the snow changed tires and wheels on the Huracan?
That was
This
not
is an
fun.
ideal setup. There's a hoist, there's wrenches, there's an impact, there's air. You heard it earlier.
What
You
did
should
you
be able to
say?
tackle this.
Impact, air, I don't know what's going on. You guys get on it. I'm gonna hold the camera to make sure that the video turns out not like shaky hands. If Dave's got the camera, you guys are gonna think you're in the next earthquake.
Dave 2014, 15, 2020, I got my hands straight. We need that box! Dave!
Hey, this thing's fun. Oh! All right, we need tools. What are we getting?
Impact.
What's an impact gun?
This goes side to side with the bolts.
What else you got?
What do we got? We got a socket.
All right.
I think we're gonna
the
guess
right
at a
size?
17.
17.
Are you taking care of the airline?
How we doing? Well, that's nice and snug. Like a bug in a rug. Dude, you have a legit garage. Like, You actually work on cars. How many cars do you have? Tell the audience.
A couple BMWs. I like working on them.
Yeah.
I got one E36 with LS swap and twin turbos. It's almost together. I have E46 M3, a real nice clean one. It's SMG. Some people prefer the manual, but the SMG.
Only real drivers, Chris. Don't worry about it.
Look how long those lug nuts are. What the hell? Holy shit.
Huge. Holy crap.
I've never seen anything like that in my life.
I mean, dude, look how long
Seriously,
it
I've
is.
never seen anything that big before in my life.
I didn't even know that they were like that. And then you also have a supercharged E46
I do, yes.
by our good friends at VF Engineering.
Yep. It's
Old
the
school.
570 kit.
Damn.
Yeah. It's about 9 pounds of boost, so, you know, it's pretty fast.
Pow. Yeah. Can't wait to get you those new brakes. Because these ones are looking a little toasty.
Got coilovers in there.
Damn.
Adjustable.
So let's lower it.
They are adjustable. We could lower it. Okay, we're gonna have to lower it if we put 20s on it. Well, there we go. We got a new project today. Now we're also lowering the car. That'll take a few hours.
So I always say how reliable VF Engineering is. This car has like 180,000 miles. 80,000 of those miles are
180,000 miles?
80,000 of that supercharged. Never had an
Really?
issue.
Holy-
Hey Nick, if you're watching this, shout out to the old kit.
Damn, VF, baby, in the house.
This is the whole intake manifold.
Yeah.
It's got a air to water cooling system. Like this is legit. This is a legit VF supercharger. This car is 570 horsepower.
570?
Yeah.
This car would be an animal with 570 horsepower.
This car's rough. He bought this car very cheap a long time ago. And like, come see the body on it. It shows age, some rust there.
Oh, yeah. But engine's fine, never blew up.
Oh, no problem. He tracks this car, does some like AutoX stuff in it, and it's pretty badass.
That's cool, man.
So shout out to VF Engineering.
I don't know anybody who hasn't had E46 M3 in our group of friends.
Passage.
It is a rite of passage, isn't it?
Badass.
All right.
So I'm just making sure these are directional or not.
Whatever.
And if we're gonna need
screwing around.
the spacer on.
I don't think you need a spacer with these wheels. Unless you want to be ganked like an F1 car.
They obviously just wanted the stock wheels to be a little more flush
Yeah.
fitment with the fender.
So kids watching this at
hold on.
home, this is the wrong way to modify a car. This puts extra stress. Those lug nuts are now longer. That's why those lug nuts were so long. It's not safe.
Okay, we're gonna get Chris and Dave to put the wheels on,
Doing this.
little time lapse, and then we'll do the big reveal. All right, you guys, the wheels are on. You ready for the big reveal? First, Chris, you gonna give us a cold start?
Oh yeah.
Cold start? All right.
Oh yeah.
And why do you have overalls on? You didn't do anything. Okay, cold start, clear prop.
Here we go.
All right, anytime.
Calm down.
Sounds good. Okay, guys, car is out. I love it.
That looks pretty sick.
Looks really sick. Could be lowered a little bit.
Front's a perfect ride height, I'd say. Stay in the car, you can't see it yet. But look at the gap. The one finger in the front,
One finger in the front.
two in the back.
That's not two, that's three. That's 2.5.
That's a two.
It's 3.5.
Two.
Oh! Okay, you
Stop
wanna see
bantering.
it?
I want to see this
You
car.
wanna get up?
You want to see
Get
it?
out, get out and check it out.
Come see it.
Come check it out.
Just wait a minute.
Come on, come on, come on.
Come on.
Bam!
Come on.
Dude, it looks really good with the wheels.
Seriously, come
Like,
on. Come on.
looks
come on.
way better.
Come on.
Jeez. You son of a
Chris,
Come on.
you're gonna love this.
You gotta come check this thing out. Yeah. He's revving. He's revving.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Keep coming.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming.
All right, open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Wow, the grass is really
Look,
going along.
look at-
Holy sh!
That looks way better.
That looks awesome.
Right?
Those look sick.
I think it looks really good. I mean, it really makes the car, like, sets it off other than just the silver wheels. Now it looks custom. Okay, let's go for a ride. Let's go for a rip. Okay, I'll jump in with your view. You.
Yo, get the G.
You drive, Chris. The new wheels look really good. You just kicked dirt at the GTR?
Here's the funny thing. He actually has two GTRs. He has this GTR and a four-door GTR.
Oh my gosh. You're a savage.
They actually have
It's an
They
Ultima.
have the same exact key. That's not a joke.
Internet's gonna burn you. Okay, let's go.
Burn away.
You drive. Are we taking, we'll take your truck? Holy, what did you do? Dude, Your brand new wheels.
I went off-roading and
Yeah, you didn't go
Hold on.
off-roading. That's a curb.
I was at Starbucks parking lot.
Were you?
What's all this garbage?
Dude, take care of your stuff, bro.
It's all rock for me.
Savage. If you guys were given a G63 with Vorsteiner wheels, you'd take better care of it, wouldn't you?
Given, I paid for this one.
You didn't pay for anything.
Yes, I did. Well, my dad did.
Dad bought it. All right, let's hear this thing. Let's see it. Let's go. Let's go. Dave wants reverse entry
Reverse entry onto the road.
Press us.
Nailed it. Oh, he's all over the place.
Looks good. Let's hear it. Looks really good. Oh, those sound good. What do you do? What do you do?
I don't know. He's got a torque wrench out. We lost him.
Hey, you okay? What's wrong?
No, just doing a retard.
Tor. I thought you hit something.
No. Dave's not driving.
Yeah, oh yeah. It's actually good you torque them. I was driving a friend's Murcielago after SEMA, and the rear wheel almost fell off. Remember when Tavares's wheel almost came off? I can't even believe that wheel's literally coming off.
Good thing we got two.
We're driving with 1 out of 5.
This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts.
GDE destroyed my Lambo. That was crazy.
That was bad.
We were in Prim, Nevada.
Good old days.
The good old days.
Miss
sir.
those days.
These ones?
Yeah.
Get down there.
Watch this, I'll back him off.
Hey, car off.
Uh-oh.
Is that the right size?
Yeah.
No? Are they stuck?
Yeah.
He's got it stuck on your wheel, dude. Hold on. Look at this. Won't come off.
Actually?
Yeah. It's stuck. Oh, it's on there. Good.
Yeah, get it off. There we go.
This looks amazing.
It looks great.
Gold wheels.
I love it.
Okay, take me for a drive. Ready? Ready? Whoa.
You got it?
Are
You driving or are you?
A co-pilot.
All right.
Go.
Thanks.
The G-Wagon will definitely need fresh brakes after this. We'll hammering on them. Yep, here he comes. Look out!
Oh, what's he doing?
Oh, poor G-Wagon. Son of a...
The road left.
Son of a... You can eat up my baby.
No!
No!
I love G-Wagons.
The G-Wagon's hilarious because it has so much power, but it handles like absolute trash. So it's like the most useless power, but it's a lot of fun. Here it comes! Park on the lawn, park on the lawn.
Yeah, so you
how
can't.
That's how you park a Ferrari. On the front lawn, you guys.
I love that. Right on the front lawn. That's the best, hey? Dude, right on the front lawn. Enjoy your wheels.
Thank you very
We
much.
have a road trip soon
They
to
look
Kelowna. You're welcome. And
Kelowna?
I also gave you the watch.
Yes, the watch. Yeah.
Where can they find that watch?
There's 2 links.
That's one link.
There's a couple links. You gotta put 2 in there.
You guys stay tuned to the next episode. The 2020 Corvette has landed, and more importantly, the exhaust for the 430 is gonna go on in the next episode. Smash the subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next one. I don't know what to do with my hands. Peace.
Hey, so we have the exhaust for you. Damon's with me. We're gonna pop by in a minute. And we want to install the exhaust today. So get the car on the hoist or the lift or whatever, and let's start cracking some wrenches. Or cracking some bolts, I guess it would be, wouldn't it? Or the nuts.
You guys are best friends. You probably crack each other's nuts.
One time in college. The truth is, we didn't go to college.